Alright, so something called an outlier is a point that lies out way away from all the rest of the data. It would look something like this. Say if all your data was over here, and then you had a point way over here. Well, this is an outlier right here. It lies far away from the rest of the data. Now you can also call this an extreme value. You can interchange them. Outlier is the same thing as an extreme value. Kind of like mean and average mean the same thing. Okay, so notice that it does not appear to fit the pattern because most of your data is over here and you've got one way over here. Now there's two reasons that this could be happening. More than likely what it is, it's a mistake. So say you were supposed to hit 50, but you had way too much coffee this morning and your hands were shaking and you accidentally hit one more zero and you made it 500 instead. So it shot it from way over here to way over here. Okay, so that's easily fixed. So sometimes an outlier is a mistake, and that's the first thing that you need to check if you have an outlier is, okay, well, did I make a mistake in putting my data into the computer? The second thing is, no, this is not a mistake, but something unusual is happening. This is where it's interesting if you have an outlier that's not a mistake, but it's actually a data value. It's something unusual, and you need to go investigate, well, why is this particular data set so far away from the rest of it? The last graph that we need to talk about is something called a dot plot. It's literally a plot of dots. Okay, so you're going to have a number line and you're going to have some dots above the number line. And what this is going to do is it's going to show frequency, just like the very first thing that we looked at, which was the stem and leaf plot. Okay, so here is our dot plot. So notice here's our data set right here. I've got 1, 5, so 1 dot over 5. 1, 5.5, so 1 dot over 5.5, halfway between 5 and 6. I've got 3 6s, so I've got 3 dots here. I've got 4 6.5, so 4 dots here. Okay, and all this shows is frequency, just like the stem and leaf plot.